So what's going on, everybody? It's J.A. In today's video, we got a very interesting but yet controversial unboxing. So apparently we have what is rumored to be the very first Adidas Yeezy, and I say Yeezy with a quotation because this is apparently the first release minus Kanye West. So in October, after a thorough review, Adidas has taken the decision to terminate the partnership with Ye immediately and production of Yeezy branded products and stop all payments to Ye and his companies. Adidas will stop the Adidas Yeezy business with immediate effect. So Ye had been voicing his frustrations with Adidas for quite some time. So many fans took the ending of this partnership as a W for him, while other people, they really just fell in love with the designs and had mixed feelings about the whole breakup. Adidas stated that they are the sole owner of all design rights to existing products as well as previous and new colorways under the partnership. And according to a Bloomberg article, Adidas management has indicated that it will start selling the products under the company's brand at the beginning of next year. So after reports that Adidas would be hit with huge financial losses after the split up, as well as being stuck with over $500 million worth of Yeezy inventory. According to Yeezy Influence, a well-known leaker, he's reporting that the first official Adidas non-Yeezy branded release will be the 350 V2 Granite, rumored to be dropping in January for a regular retail price of $230. So let's go ahead and check these joints out. So the 350 V2, without a doubt, has to be Yeezy's most recognizable silhouette. This offering comes in with a granite gray prime knit upper, which has become a signature for this model. The Supply 350 stripe comes in with this black color, and then of course you've got a gray, somewhat translucent sole to match the upper of this shoe. These joints have no pull tab, and then you finish off the signature look with a gray set of matching laces. This pair is similar to some previous releases, such as the Salt 350, as well as the Slate 350 as well. But this Granite colorway comes in the darkest variant of the three. Now the report did state that Adidas would drop these, but minus the Yeezy branding. So I bought this pair specifically off of GOAT, and looking at the box, you got Yeezy branding here, and on the 350, of course, on the insole, you got the Yeezy branding as well. So it looks like this pair was backdoored before the initial release, possibly. And as we know, Adidas had over about a year's worth of releases just in the tuck, ready to drop. And now those pairs are just sitting in warehouses. So if the rumors do turn out to be true and Adidas does drop these minus the Yeezy branding, all they would probably really have to do would be, of course, just take out the insoles. And then for the box, I mean, I guess they probably had to go with the old school blue boxes that y'all just hate. But then you got pairs like the 350 V1, where right here on the inside, you got some Yeezy branding clearly visible right here. And with the rumored Pirate Black drop right around the corner, would that mean that Adidas would have to recall all of those pairs and replace this patch with an Adidas logo? I'm not really sure. And then when you take a look at a pair like the 750, which is also rumored to be dropping as well, there's no visible Yeezy branding on this pair, just minus what you see here on the insole. So these 350 Granite joints, they're just meh to me. I mean, the colorway is kind of boring, and the 350 silhouette really no longer does much for me, but there is a market of people out there that absolutely love this model, and there's also people that have yet to be able to cop a pair of these for retail. So if the rumors are true and Adidas does plan to drop these, you know, at the full 230, I believe they will still sell out. It's just the hype won't be there, and I feel like it just won't be the same without Ye behind it. So while these would be an easy pass for me, I don't really know if I could keep that same energy, say, if Adidas plans to drop the 350 Pirate Black, or what if they were to restock a pair like the Wave Runners, or what if the rumors are true and we get a 750 restock? Would y'all be able to pass up on those joints? I feel like if Adidas does plan to drop these Granite joints though, they should definitely drop the price from $230 to like $180, but at the end of the day, that's just wishful thinking, and Adidas will do whatever they want. So if they do plan to drop these, I can't be too mad at it. You know, people have missed out on these over the years, and at least they'll get to enjoy the designs. But this Granite one is definitely an easy pass for me. So we'll have to wait and see how things develop. Will Adidas eventually drop these? Minus the Yeezy branding. Salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.